What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Luna Classic update. It's not official yet, but I've been covering Luna Classic every day for quite some time now, for like 2-3 weeks. And I know a lot of you value it, so in this video what I usually do is I take a look at, for example, how much we have burned, but apart from that I also take a look at some of the news that's been going on and the price, obviously, which hasn't been doing great. And that is one of the reasons why I wanted to take a look at it again, because yesterday in the analysis I told you too that it isn't looking great, and you can clearly see that. This is one of the most clear downtrends in crypto right now, right? But obviously a big question that arises is, well, when is this going to stop, and can we expect some more bullish momentum soon too? So that is something we will talk about. First, there were two things kind of news related I wanted to talk about. First of all, obviously being burned. The amount of Luna Classic being burnt is dropping every day. Yesterday it was 50 million, before that it was 75, and before that 100, I think. 21 million, we all know that. I'm not going to repeat that. That's not enough to burn through the supply. This is mainly because the transactions are, not all transactions are really being burned, right? It's only Luna Classic being deposited and withdrawn. And please let me know, because I hear different stories, right? Most volume of Luna Classic is on Binance. Binance is the biggest player. Oh, this is Ethereum. But the same is true for Luna Classic. Binance is the biggest player in volume for Luna Classic. You can see that 50% of the total volume is on Binance. And the thing is I've heard different stories about being able to withdraw and deposit in Binance, and that it's down a lot of times. If that's true, this could still go up. But still, I mean, the thing is, and if you just think about it, I don't deposit, and I deposit and withdraw quite a bit from Binance, but that is because I need to transfer quite a lot of crypto among different sources. But if you just hold Luna Classic on an exchange, you're not easily going to deposit or withdraw it. The best option would be to just trade it on a decentralized exchange, but for a lot of people that's a little bit too difficult. I could make a video, a guide on that if you would want that. But yeah, and there are some other sources which do tax every transaction, but still it's a little bit messy, and it isn't working as it was intended to work, I think. So that's a shame. Maybe that will change. If that changes, that's definitely going to be bullish, and we can definitely expect a rally. But for now, that's bad. And apart from that, I also heard that the CEO of Binance thought the burn was a bad idea, which I think caused this move. Well, for most cryptos it would be a bad idea, but for Luna Classic, given its history, and this is just my opinion obviously, but still, given its history and this huge circulating supply, I don't think it's a bad idea. You have to do something, right? Doing something is always better than doing nothing in these situations. It's obvious that the market reacts to him. He has a lot of influence in the crypto market, but I don't agree with it. But that's just me. So apart from that, that's the news I wanted to talk about. But I also obviously wanted to talk about the price of Luna Classic, because as you can see, and we've been talking about this for a long time, you can see we're just making lower highs all the time, and this has been continuing. We were first held up by this 26,000 level, got a bearish breakout, and now we're just continuing. So now the big question is when is this going to stop? You can see that we already broke through 23,000. 22,000 is a minor support level, 21,000 isn't. So the next support level really is 20,000 and 18,500. To me, we are dropping down to that level, and I actually do think, just in my honest opinion, I think 20,000 is actually a stronger level than you think. 20,000 might even be the strongest level in all of these levels, even though I thought 25,000 was pretty strong too. But still, so I am expecting that. The main thing is there are two different ways in which Luna Classic could be bullish again. That is fundamentals, good news, a lot of Luna Classic being burned, another burn tax being implemented, or a very strong support level. And I think that level between 20,000 and 18,000 could be a level from which we could at least get like a 10, 20, 30% move. Now, that's a pretty bold statement. I could be completely wrong, but that's just my analysis. I mean, 20,000 is a huge psychological support level. We haven't seen such a strong psychological support level in a while, and we have also been dropping for quite some time. So I do think we're going to break below 23,000 and slowly start trending down towards 20,000. We might not get a move out of there immediately, but I do think that from there we can get back up to like 26, kind of. And then from there, it depends on the market, but from there I do think we will start dropping back down again, and we'll see whether we can hold 20,000 on the long term or not. But yeah, so that's my take on Luna Classic for now. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. I hope to see you all tomorrow. And for now, have a great weekend and bye.